Hi everyone, it's Danilsa, senior artist for Sephora 86 in Lexington, New York City, and I'm going to show you guys how I dry my natural curls with the Dyson Diffuser, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so let's get started. I'm going to start with my hair freshly washed out the shower. It's still damp. So I'm going to go in first with the Vernon Francois styling cream. So I'm going to use a generous amount. I really want to saturate my hair with the product. That way it doesn't get frizzy throughout the day. As you apply the product, make sure you're spreading it evenly throughout. That way your curls are really nice and defined. So next I'm going to use the Dyson Supersonic Hair Dryer. So the Dyson hair dryer comes with magnetic attachments, and I'm using the diffuser part. So I'm using the Dyson hair dryer on that highest speed and the lowest heat. That way my curls doesn't look dry and it prevents from frizzing. So this hair dryer dries your hair really fast. It prevents extreme heat damage, which is really good for curly hair types because of its intelligent heat control. Air temperature is measured 20 times every second. That way your hair doesn't get frizzy when you're using a diffuser. Just going around my head, making sure I get every single part. And I like to do like a wiggly motion just to give a little bit of separation and a little extra crunching. But then after, you want to press it in little sections. That way your hair doesn't get frizzy or breaks up your curls. And you want to get your hair really nice and dry. I'm telling you guys, this hair dryer dries your hair super fast. So if you're in a hurry or you want volume really quick, this is the hair dryer to go with for sure, especially if you have curly hair. I like volume on the top of my hair, so I usually focus on the top as well. So I'm going to do this throughout my hair until it's dry completely. Just make sure it's nice and dry everywhere. That way when I zhuzh it up in a few minutes, I'll get the nice volume and definition that I want. So to finish off, I'm going to start with the Wave Rose Hair and Body Oil, which is a good oil for all hair types. It's a multitasking oil for hair and body that locks in moisture. The reason why I'm giving my hair a zhuzh up with oil because I don't want it to get frizzy, which is a really important step, especially if you have curly hair. That way it gives you extra shine and definition and hydration. That way your curls look nice and luscious. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and learned something new. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next one.